we visit one of the reserves of Casa de Suizo. In the one that we can see some plants, different plants and the different uses of the plants, like medicine, life for the wood and for the construction of the different houses that the community has. From this experience, I hope that the people learn a lot about the jungle, learn that they have to conserve the different factors, because all the different factors are connected here. If we conserve the different culture and different environment that we have here, we have tourists for all the life of the hotel. I wanted to the different tourists keep that experience that we give it to you, all the knowledge, and to transmit to the other ones in order to come back and visit Ecuador again.